My new Hornblasters are here!
Yeah!
You! Yeah. Look what's here. Perfect for the wagon. Don't know how it's gonna fit though. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Hold on. I want to take a...
Sick. I have a little bit of mounting struggle, but hey, the hood shuts.
There's a wipe off my camera.
Oh yeah.
Right in here.
Whoa! I didn't even touch it. Possessed.
That tried to get you.
It's mad at me.
That definitely tried to get you.
So I'm gonna start setting the compressor in the back of the car. Trav's gonna try to run the air line underneath. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
Good stuff. And we'll get to this part later. And she's just chilling.
This is the fun part.
Big horns.
Okay guys, so we got the the tank mounted, air compressor mounted, battery relocated, obviously. That was already done. We have the hose halfway ran, all the way down underneath. And it's a great time.
Great time.
Yeah.
People forgetting crimp kits.
Yeah.
It's just going.
Yeah, we're getting a special
progress,
we're getting a
but-
special crimp kit delivery because
Because I'm done.
that's all good. We're getting it figured out, I reckon. It's going to be fun.
It's gonna be.
We got compressor and everything wired up. We're about to test it. We just tested the horns but failed and didn't film that. But
They're really loud.
yeah, they're super
Shout
loud.
out to Hornblasters. They know
Oh,
how to
yeah.
make a horn.
Yeah, for sure. Y'all need a good train horn, go to Hornblasters. It's definitely worth the money. So we're about to test it. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Hey, perfect. So we actually had to run a wire up front to an ignition switch. We were hoping there'd be one back here for whatever reason, and there wasn't. But yeah, we got it working. So up next is run the rest of the airline, make them out, and yeah. Unfortunately, the car is too low for us to fit underneath it.
We're gonna start on the front end of the car.
Yeah, we had to lift the front end because the car sits way sits way too low for us to climb underneath. I mean, I'm skinny. I could have maybe managed, but back end is dropped down. When it's on air, it should be about this low because we're gonna bag it eventually.
Basically.
So yeah, and sorry if camera quality or anything like that is bad. We're new to this. Yeah, so be nice. Yeah. we need to make a bracket, and all I have is this big sheet of stainless. We're gonna try to bend it, so.
I can weld it, but hey, this winch is kind of dead, but that doesn't mean it can't be useful.
Using the old Duramax. Hey! A little bit more, come on, Skeeter.
I think we should check it.
That'll work.
Look at that.
Hey,
Old.
perfect. Sweet. Ghetto fab. GDI still same position. This truck is dirty and whatnot. Ha, dirty Duramax. Cringe. I am cringe. It sucks. But yeah. So we're going to.
A little bit more.
Okay, so you get the point there. Mount, angle, and then we'll mount the horns to that. Okay guys, as you can see, we have them mounted, hooked up. They look freaking sweet. Jesus Christ!
Here we're gonna do a horn test on the fire truck. Got this little meter off of Amazon. Let's see how good it is. One. Okay, now we're at 12 feet off of the wagon. Ooh, they're really close.